Mike, how has the interview process changed throughout the course of your career?
In 30 years since I started in 1992, it's changed dramatically. Before, a lot of officers would just use union representatives, and union representatives would come into the internal affairs investigation. And I was a union representative, and I've represented officers in internal affairs interviews. But now with departments and the way policy and procedures are implemented, not necessarily consistent across the board, I would not recommend anybody going in to an internal affairs interview without an attorney. I've done it personally. I've gone into internal affairs interviews with just a union representative. Those kind of days where the department and the people that reviewed the IA kind of gave the officers the benefit of the doubt, I think that's long gone. I think in today's day and age, with liability being what it is and the way police departments implement policy and procedures, it's very important that any officer goes into an internal affairs interview with an attorney, because ultimately the officer believes maybe that this is only going so far, but they're not looking down the road to where potentially something like this, and I've seen it before, go to a criminal investigation. And that's what the attorney there is, to protect your rights so those things don't happen.